Hey everybody, it's Jen from Jen Plans, and I have a major spoiler alert. This is the seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren that just arrived. I'm so excited to open it. Did you guys get this one? I didn't get the very first seasonal surprise box that came out. I had instant regrets. So I've been ordering them ever since. If you want to be surprised, stop watching. Ooh, okay, so let me tell you. I'll put this over here so that I can show you all the things. There's one thing in here that I'm most excited about. I don't know if you can guess what it is. But let's see what all is in here. This reusable bag. Okay, this is my favorite thing. I won't even try and hide it. I got one of these in a different pattern at the grand opening of the flagship store in Austin, and it is the best bag. It's like, the fabric is like, I don't even know how to describe it. Does it say on here? I don't know if it even says. It's like I want to say like a raincoat, because I don't know that it's like water friendly, like if it will protect your things, but it feels very like smooth and able to hold a lot of things. It's pleated on the bottom, so it'll like open up just a teeny tiny little bit. And then it has handles at the top, and then it has this little band that when you fold it all up, it kind of like wraps into itself. And this is the inside. It's really big. It's bigger. It like holds more than you think it will. So you can use this like as your bag for like a purse, or like if you're going to like sports games or whatever and you need to like bring stuff. Or you can use it as a reusable shopping bag. So I have the mid-century circles pattern. I feel like I need to like zoom out. I can't really zoom out, but this is big. I mean, this is big. So it's this big, and it's my favorite thing in this box. And I already know that it's my favorite thing. So this is the bag. This is how big it is. It's huge. And I love it. So I'm really excited. And I think the painted petals, is an exclusive design to this box. So I don't know if they're gonna have those, the reusable bags for sale on the website, but if you want the painted petals pattern, that is going to be, I think, exclusive to the seasonal surprise box. So I love it. It's my favorite thing. Makes the whole box worth it to me. I love shopping with reusable bags, and I especially like shopping with reusable bags that are like really cute. So that is the first thing that's in there. I was gonna go through all of them and do this last, but I just couldn't wait because I love it. So that's the reusable bag. This is the first time I've seen a pencil case. They have other pouches. It looks like denim. It's like a smooth kind of rubbery, not rubbery, but like, can you hear it? I don't know how to describe it. I'm terrible at describing things in videos, sorry. Pencil us in with 25, oh, what's 25% off? Oh, do you want a discount on markers or highlighters or pencils or wet erase markers? When does this end? Ends 5/31/18. Okay, so you have a little while. I'm filming this right now. It's March 2018. So if you want 25% off of these, any of these, and I love them. I have all of them. There you go. Right on spring is your discount code. I'll put a link to all the writing stuff in the description of the video. Oh, and some cute pencils. Live in full bloom. So, well, hello, lovely. This is, my kids, like, all they use are pencils. It's all they use for school. My daughter does piano lessons, of course. Any kind of music, you just kind of like, you should just attach a pencil to your body, pretty much. And I love sending these to my mom too, because she is a choir director, and so she always loves having beautiful pencils around. So this is so cute, and it fits in here. This is great because I've kind of been needing a little, I have the pouch that like wraps around the planner, but I don't have, well, I guess you could do that with that one too, but I love that this one you can just kind of toss into your bag, and it doesn't have to like attach to anything. This is a really, this looks like the pattern from, this is like floral stitches combined with, I think, must be like just a denim background combination. Super cute pencil pouch. Looks like maybe the theme for this season's box. And then you have, what else? These little cards. I love putting these on the back of cards that I send to people. It's just like that little extra. I mean, of course the foil is really beautiful and the quotes and all the designs are really nice, but I just love these little stickers on the back. You are one of a kind. Oh, I love those. So 2 cards. They are probably, I'm guessing, blank inside, but I'll add this to my box. I keep a box with all of these that I get in all the seasonal surprise boxes. Anytime I need to send, you know, a note to anybody or a card. I love having these on hand. Patch it up. Are you guys patch people? Where do you put them? On your planners? Or do you put them on your clothes? I guess you could put them either. Show us how you mix and patch. Oh, they just stick. So this is easy. So you don't have to worry about sewing them on. You just peel and stick. So this is a really cute peacock. Hello, lovely. And then a little flower. Perfect for spring. I love this. And then, okay, I may have lied a little bit when I said that the bag was my favorite because also I love anytime there's stickers. And I'm guessing these are exclusive. Yes, these are exclusive stickers. Oh, are there 2 sheets in there? There are. So there are 2 sheets in here. April showers bring May flowers. Look at the little umbrella. I love this. So this looks like a combination of a few of their kind of, you know, signature patterns or prints, the floral stitches, the mid-century circles, and then the watercolor. These are so pretty. And then these are my kind of stickers, the functional ones. I love using these. Anything that you can use to check off a box or use as a flag. Looks like all of these will fit in all the EC boxes. So those are the 2 sticker sheets. So that's exclusive to this box as well. And then last but not least, looks like they give you a cover. This would be especially great if you have a gold coil. I have rose gold, but I still think it'll look beautiful with that. But especially if you have gold out there, this would go really well with that. So springy, I love it. So we have the cover, the stickers, the patches, 2 of these really sweet cards that you can send to people, a couple of pencils inside the pencil pouch. My favorite, which is, have I mentioned it's my favorite? The reusable shopping bag, which again is exclusive in this color and pattern. I think you can only get this one in the seasonal surprise box. And then a discount for any pen or pencil or marker order. So that's the seasonal surprise box for spring 2018. Let me know what your favorite thing is in the comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.